everyone, Raccoon-Formers here, and welcome to the start of a new 12-parted series. Can you guess what item I'd be taking a look at in a 12-parted series? What item in the whole world has the number 12 involved? A calendar. We're taking a look at a Transformers wall calendar. But you're probably wondering, how is that a 12-parted series? Well, as you know, there are 12 months in a year, and there are 12 months listed in this calendar with different Transformer characters printed on each one. And to help 2022 go by a bit faster, because the new Transformers movie is being released in 2023, I am going to take a look at each Transformer picture listed on each month on the first of that particular month. So since today is January 1st, we'll be taking a look at the January page of this calendar. But before we get started with that, let's go ahead and take a look at the front of the calendar. It looks pretty nice. It looks pretty calendar-y. We get the Transformers Generation 1 logo, the Transformers More Than Meets the Eye, 2022 calendar, a nice looking picture of Optimus and Megatron going head-to-head like they always do in Transformers media, a little circular shaped print that says poster included, which I will be talking about, but I'm going to wait and talk about the poster until December 1st as a finale of this 12-parted calendar series. That's pretty much all I have to say about the front of this calendar. Let's flip the page and take a look at January. Looks like for January we have a picture of Megatron. It's a pretty nice looking picture of Megatron. I don't really have that much to say about it. It's phenomenal. He's got a nice looking purple backdrop behind him. His name is listed in red font with little lines to make it look all evil-like. Nice looking January logo right down here. A little mini calendar for the previous month, December of 2021, and one for the next month, February of 2022. And the bottom of the calendar looks pretty sick as well. It has all the dates in January, 1 through 31, and it's got an awesome looking Decepticon insignia printed behind the dates. It looks so cool. And what's also cool is they have all the different individual holiday-like dates in January as well, printed on the exact date that they occur. Like New Year's Day and Kwanzaa ends on January 1st, New Moon on January 2nd, First Quarter on January 9th, Full Moon and Martin Luther King Jr. Day on the 17th, and Christmas Day on the 25th. I mean, the last quarter on 25th. Wrong month. Christmas is in December. I really find it cool how they were able to print all of these holidays in this Transformer calendar. It's a great homage to how the month of January plays out in real life. It really is. I love Hasbro. Well, friends, this pretty much wraps up this video review. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to click that big red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a future video. But you're probably like, Raccoon-Formers, aw man, that was too short of a video. I wanted to see more. And I do apologize about that, but don't fret. I will be bringing this calendar back every first of each month. So I'll be bringing this calendar back on the 1st of February. So make sure to like, subscribe, slap the bell, and do all that other fun stuff so you do not miss out on that. Anyway, that's all I have to say. As always, I am Raccoon-Formers, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.